Hey you guys, welcome to today's video on my channel. Hope you guys are doing fantastic. Today I am here with this beautiful eye tutorial. I tried to play with some colors again today and I created a look with some oranges. I had ordered some Morphe stuff and I ordered this beautiful palette by Jacklyn and it comes with the beautiful colors, and I decided to go with the oranges because I had already made a video with lavenders and there's like then the other reds and oranges is the other option. So I went ahead with oranges and created this look. I hope you guys will like it, and without any further ado, let's keep watching. Hey guys, so this is the final look. I find it very difficult to speak with my Invisalign even though it's invisible, but it has affected the way I talk and the way I move my mouth, which makes me feel so like conscious at sometimes. So what I did was I went ahead and I lined my eyes, and I used this Kat Von D's Inkwell liner, and it's matte. So I lined my eyes with that, and I used Lashoholic's Luxury Lashes. These are very natural lashes. I just wanted to keep my eye focus to be the color, not the wing liner or dramatic lashes. I wanted the focus to be the color that's on, and so that's why I chose to keep my liner pretty thin and use very light lashes. And for my lips, I use Fenty Beauty's orange lipstick called Unattached. This is one of my favorite lipsticks. It goes on your lips very easily and very smooth, and I love the texture of it as well. So I hope you guys like the video. I'm really liking these color popping eyeshadow tutorials that I'm making these days for you guys, and I hope you guys are liking it too. If you have any other requests, please let me know, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!